In a hidden valley, there was a very beautiful flower garden. The garden was cared for by tiny, lovely fairies, one of whom was named Lily. Lily was a rose fairy whose duty was to ensure that all the red roses bloomed with fragrance. These flower fairies had magical tasks. They gave color to the flower petals, sprinkled the morning dew, and made sure the sun shone upon the garden each day. When the flower fairies worked happily, the blossoms would bloom perfectly. One day, the atmosphere changed. The flowers began to wither, their colors faded, and the leaves turned yellow. The cause was the arrogance of the sun fairy, who felt she was the brightest of all and refused to share her light with the other flowers. As a result, the balance of the garden was disturbed. Lily, the kind-hearted rose fairy, felt sad seeing her garden in distress. She gathered the other flower fairies, the jasmine fairy, the orchid fairy, and the tulip fairy to hold a discussion. We must remind the sun fairy that the beauty of this garden is not because of just one flower, but because of all our colors together, Lily said gently. They then went to meet the sun fairy. Lily approached her and said, "Oh, beautiful sun fairy, look down there. Without you, we wither, but without us, the garden would not be colorful. Happiness will return if we share our place and shine together." The sun fairy lowered her head in shame. She realized that her arrogance had caused their home to wither. She apologized and once again spread her light evenly across the garden. Lily and the other fairies quickly worked hard to care for the flowers that had begun to wilt. Within a few days, the garden became bright, colorful, and fragrant once more.